So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Vitamix explorian E320, and I just picked this up at Costco earlier in the week. They were actually having a promotion, $100 off. So this ended up coming to $350 Canadian before taxes. And the reason why I wanted to get the Vitamix is because I am huge in the smoothie game, and I just wanted to take it up a notch. And the Vitamix is just everyone's been talking so much about it and how there's really no other product right now that's comparable to it. And I didn't really care for any of the fancy bells and whistles, the digital versions where there's a digital screen or the timers. I really just wanted the base model. And this was, happened to come up on sale at Costco. I will talk about how this is different from what you might see in store, because I had some hesitations too buying it at Costco, but we'll get more into that. And for now, we're gonna start with the unboxing and let's see what it looks like. So the Vitamix representative at Costco actually gave me all of his demo recipes, which is really nice, and he said there's more recipes on the Vitamix website. This is 64-ounce container, 8 cups. This is the tamper. So this just helps. I'll show more about what the tamper is, but every Vitamix comes with one. Here's the motor base. Let's open that up. And for the Explorian series, it's super simple. So it just has 10 different speeds, it has an on-off switch, and then a pulse function. We can open this up. Easy to put on. And you can put the lid on like this. You want it to fasten down. Goes over the sides, and there you have it. Okay, so here are all the different parts that came in the box. So this is the motor. I believe it's 2.2 horsepower. We have the very simple dial for power and speed. So it goes from 1 all the way till 10. We'll explain more about how that works when we do our review. We have the on and off switch, super easy, and then the pulsing feature here. If you want to pulse, here we have a 64 ounce container that has the blade attached inside. It has the, feels pretty durable and looks pretty easy to clean. We'll talk about that. Lid with a hole here at the top that you can take this out, so that when it's on your machine, you can just put in some small veggies or more ice, more ingredients, and you can also use the tamper like this to help move those harder to blend things around. So many of you, like myself, are probably interested in how the Costco Explorian 320 differs from the other models, because what I've been told, and rumors out there, are that Costco will sell a totally different product or refurbished model. But so I actually went in because they were having this great $100 off promotion, and there was a Vitamix sales representative there that I could ask all my questions to. And basically what he said is this model is essentially the same as the other models that are comparable to it. It's all brand new. The motor is the same. The features are the same. And the only main difference is how the container looks. as well as the size of the container. So this is actually a bigger sized container than what is sold in other stores. So this is a 64 ounce container, where I believe otherwise it is a 48 ounce container. It comes with the same warranty, so 7-year warranty for this model and similar models. And he also told me that a lot of the time, because Costco is so great with returns, rather than dealing with Vitamix itself, you can actually bring it in to Costco and return it and just grab a new one, and that saves Vitamix money, I guess, from the back and forth of shipping and parts and whatnot. So he said that, yeah, it's gonna work the exact same as any other model. The motor capability is the same. The speeds are the same, from 1 to 10, on off, pulsing feature. It comes with a tamper. So you would just go in like this to move things around. It's the same tamper, it's new. And also the really great thing is that if you are a Costco member, they said they were doing a road show, so you could actually come and get some of the different accessories for a reduced cost as well. So things like, this is the wet-based container, you could get a dry container, you can get a single serve cup, all of that, but otherwise it's essentially the same. Like I said, new parts, same warranty. So for us, this was a really great purchase, a huge deal, because we really just wanted the standard features. We really just were looking for the Vitamix power that most of the other blenders just don't have. We didn't really care so much about the other features. So it just gives a really great opportunity to get into the Vitamix family. We're really excited to try it out and let you know how it goes. Thanks so much for, watching this video. We're gonna definitely be explaining how the Vitamix works, what we like about it, what we don't like about it. So please see the videos, the links below for more information on that. And feel free to give us a like, because we like it when you like us. So have a great day.